Here is what most new investors get wrong: you do not need to pick a single winning stock to build wealth. With one index ETF, you can own a small slice of hundreds, even thousands, of companies in a single purchase. An index ETF simply tracks a whole market, like the S&P 500 or the entire world, instead of betting on one name. That gives you instant diversification, so if one company stumbles, the others help cushion the fall. The second big advantage is cost. Many actively managed Canadian mutual funds charge around 2% a year. A popular S&P 500 index ETF like VEQT charges about 0.09%. On $100,000, that is roughly $90 a year instead of $2,000. Over decades, a gap that size can cost you six figures in lost growth. Want just one simple holding? All-in-one ETFs like XEQT or VEQT bundle a global mix of stocks into a single fund for around 0.2%. And if you hold these inside a TFSA, with $7,000 of new room in 2026, all of that growth is completely tax-free. This is education, not advice. Figures current as of 2026. Always check the latest figures with an official source.